Hi everyone, Mike here from the accounting team over at Intuit. Today I want to give you a quick demo of the first release of our new Client Letters feature. Client Letters is available in QBOA and you're able to use it with both Workpapers and Pro Tax. So our team is very excited about this feature. What we think you'll love about it is the fact that you can pull data from both books and tax and create brand new letters without using any scripting or coding. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm here logged into QBOA. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my client, Craig's Landscaping. And I'm going to show you how you can add a letter to Craig's Landscaping from within Workpapers. So I'll go to Books to Tax, navigate to Workpapers. So now I'm in Workpapers for Craig's Landscaping. And as you can see, you've got your letters here, and it's still in beta, meaning that there's a whole bunch of new functionality coming to letters really soon. And if you want to give us feedback, this is the best time to do it because we're actively working on this feature. When I click on Add a Letter, I can see a list of templates that have come up. These are all the templates that I have access to at my firm. I'll go down here. I can find a simple NTR, Notice to Reader. I'm going to add the Notice to Reader. Click Add to Documents. Now, what Workpapers is doing is it's generating that Notice to Reader and putting it into the Letters folder in my Document Manager over here in Workpapers. So let me go ahead and open this up. All right, cool. So I've got the letter here in PDF form. I can send it to my clients. I can add it to other PDFs, do whatever I want with it. I can see it's pulled in all the information like year-end dates, my firm name, and my client's name perfectly, so I'm happy with that. All right, so now I've shown you how you could add a letter to Workpapers, but you might be thinking, what about if the letter doesn't work for me? What if I need to make changes to that letter? Let me show you how to do that. So there's actually two places where you can go and edit letters in QBOA. You can do it in Accountant Tools right here, or you can do it from within Pro Tax. So let me show you how you can do that. So if I go back to QBOA, I go to Pro Tax. I'll go to Corporate here. See my corporate tax return list showing up. And now what I'll do is I'll go to Tax Settings, see Letters as new here. And what I can do now is I can choose if I want to edit an existing template or create a new one. As you can see, Intuit has packaged templates along with letters, and there'll be more and more of these coming out. So what I'll do is I'll take a look at my T2 tax summary letter. I'm going to customize it. Awesome. So look at this. I've got what you'd expect. I've got the name of the template. I'll call it T2 letter demo. This is just a demonstration letter. I'll show you how it works. Now I've got all these colorful things and all this copy down here. Cool, so what does all this mean? Well, these are all pieces of data that get pulled from different places. So you've got books data coming from QBO and accounts. You're not gonna see accounts available in this version, but that's coming soon. So green means books and accounts. The pinky kind of red here, that's from your T1 tax, and then blue is T2 tax. So now you can pull data from both books and tax in the same place. Now I can go ahead, I can make changes here. I could, delete a bunch of, I can move these variables around like that. I can do whatever I like. I can delete, format to my heart's content. So I'm going to go ahead and make a real simple letter here. I'm just going to say, I'm going to get rid of all of this stuff. And I am going to just use the address information and my prepare firm here. So what I'll do, I'll get rid of this line too, why not? Make a quick letter, dear. All right, I want my client name. I want it says a T2, so I'll go for T2 client name. T2 client legal name, dear client. And because Valentine's Day wasn't too long ago, let's draw some inspiration from that. Roses are red, violets are blue. And when it comes time to pay taxes, this is what's due. Okay. Okay, we'll just put T2 balance or refund right there. Put a little $sign. And let's make that bold. Okay, so now I'm done my simple letter. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can add that letter to a tax return. So I'll go back into Pro Tax. I'm going to open up an existing tax return. Now it's opening up the tax return, pulling in all of the data. And now I can add letters from either here or the quick bar. So if I type in demo, I've got my add T2 client letter demo right here. I'll click that. Shows up at the bottom of this list here. And now I'm able to see that letter. I can see it's pulled in data, my firm information, the tax amount, and also the name of my firm down here. This is great. Now I can generate a PDF of this by quickly printing. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to say print this form or letter. I'm going to skip password protection this time. And now it's downloaded the letter for me. And I can see it right here in PDF format. So that's how you create letter templates and add them to either Workpapers or Pro Tax. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, this is the best time to give our team feedback. So if you've got something to tell us, a great idea or an issue with the feature, you can email me at mike_ilnicki@intuit.com. That's MIKE_ILNICKI@intuit.com. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.